Hello traders, welcome back to Daily Victory FX. Before we get into today's topic, a quick note. Forex trading carries risks, and while it can be rewarding, it's important you understand the potential for loss and take full responsibility for your decisions. This video is purely for educational purposes to help you develop the right mindset and improve your trading psychology. Also, this video is sponsored by the Full-Time Pro Forex Indicator, a tool that's proven to assist traders in navigating the currency markets more effectively. If you're interested, you'll find the link to try the app in the description below. No pressure, just an option for those who want to explore professional-grade support.
1K, 2K, 3K, sheesh! They thought I was lost in the woods, but now I'm lost in profits.
I completely discovered a Forex trading app that will blow your mind. Guess what? These are the results.
1K, 2K, 3K, sheesh! They thought
It's called the Full-Time Pro Indicator. You need it? Check below.
Check the link below. You'll thank me later. And please subscribe.
Now, let's get straight to the point. The brutal truth about why most Forex traders fail isn't a secret algorithm, nor some magic indicator. It boils down to one essential factor: mindset. Whether you're new or have been trading for years, if your psychology isn't in the right place, you'll find yourself stuck in a cycle of losses, frustration, and disappointment. Many traders enter Forex believing it's a quick road to wealth. They focus on strategies, indicators, and shortcuts, hoping these will unlock consistent profits overnight. But what's often overlooked is that without the right mental framework, no strategy will save you. Trading isn't about chasing profits. It's about managing your emotions, controlling impulses, and maintaining discipline under pressure. The markets will test your patience relentlessly. You'll face losing streaks that shake your confidence. You'll be tempted to deviate from your plan out of fear or greed. This is why developing emotional resilience is the foundation for any successful trader. The ability to stay calm and objective, especially when the stakes feel high, is what separates winners from those who give up. It's critical to understand that trading is not gambling. It's a skill that demands dedication, practice, and above all, the willingness to learn from mistakes, rather than be discouraged by them. You have to build a mindset that embraces losses as part of the journey, because every losing trade carries a lesson if you're open to it. For beginners and seasoned traders alike, the shift begins with accepting that losses are inevitable and not personal failures. This perspective allows you to approach the market with humility and patience. It's not about how fast you grow your account, it's about consistent, sustainable progress. Slow and steady truly wins the race. To cultivate this mindset, start by setting realistic expectations. Profits don't come from perfect trades, but from sticking to a well-thought-out plan and managing risk effectively. Avoid the temptation to overtrade or revenge trade after losses. Instead, focus on your process: analysis, entry, risk management, and exit. When you control these, the results will follow naturally over time. Another key point is self-awareness. Regularly reflect on your trades and emotions. Keep a journal detailing not only your trade setups but also your feelings before, during, and after the trade. This practice helps you identify patterns of emotional behavior that can sabotage your success. Once you recognize these triggers, you can develop strategies to manage them. Remember, discipline isn't just about rules. It's about building habits that support your long-term goals. Whether that means limiting daily trades, sticking to a maximum risk percentage, or taking breaks when frustration builds, these habits will keep you grounded. This journey is not for those seeking instant gratification. It's for traders who understand that mastering the mind is the ultimate edge. When your psychology aligns with your trading strategy, you gain clarity, confidence, and control, the real drivers of profitability. So if you've been struggling with inconsistency or emotional trading, take a step back. Prioritize mental training alongside technical study. And if you want more insights like this, make sure to subscribe to Daily Victory FX, where we cut through the noise and focus on real, actionable growth. For anyone interested in enhancing their trading with professional tools, check out the Full-Time Pro Forex Indicator linked below. It's designed to complement your strategy and help you stay disciplined with precise signals. Trading success starts from within. Your mindset is the foundation you build everything else on. Approach it with seriousness and patience, and you'll find that Forex can be a rewarding pursuit rather than a frustrating game. Now, let's dive deeper into how you can actively develop this winning mindset. The first step is to shift your focus from outcomes to actions. Instead of obsessing over how much money you made or lost on any single trade, concentrate on following your trading plan with consistency. This means preparing thoroughly before you even place a trade, knowing your entry and exit points, setting appropriate stop losses, and strictly adhering to your risk limits. When your attention centers on the process rather than the profits, you reduce emotional turbulence and increase your ability to make rational decisions. Next, embrace patience as your best ally. Forex markets don't owe you profits every day, and often the best trades are the ones you don't take. Waiting for the right setup, rather than forcing trades out of boredom or frustration, protects your capital and preserves your mental clarity. Learning to be comfortable doing nothing can be one of the hardest lessons, but also one of the most valuable. It's equally important to build resilience to setbacks. When a trade doesn't go your way, and it won't sometimes, avoid blaming yourself or spiraling into negative emotions. Instead, view every loss as a chance to gather data and improve. Review what went wrong, identify any errors in judgment or execution, and update your plan accordingly. This reflective practice will gradually transform mistakes into stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. Another crucial aspect is managing your expectations realistically. Profit growth in Forex is rarely a straight line. You will experience fluctuations, drawdowns, and periods of stagnation. Accepting this as normal helps you avoid panic and impulsive decisions that can devastate your account. Focus on incremental gains and consistent risk control. Protecting your capital during tough times is what enables you to be there for the long haul. Developing emotional control also means recognizing and overcoming common psychological traps, such as overconfidence after a winning streak or despair after losses. The market is indifferent to your feelings. It simply responds to supply and demand. Your job as a trader is to stay disciplined, detached, and objective regardless of your recent results. One practical tool that can help with this is regular mindfulness or meditation. Training your mind to remain present and centered reduces impulsivity and improves focus. When you cultivate mental clarity, you're less likely to make rash decisions or fall victim to fear and greed. This mental edge can be a game changer, especially during volatile or stressful market conditions. Finally, surround yourself with a community or mentors who reinforce these values. Trading can feel isolating, and having others who understand the psychological challenges can provide encouragement, accountability, and perspective. That's exactly why here at Daily Victory FX, we strive to build a community where growth is grounded in discipline and self-awareness rather than hype or shortcuts. So, if you're ready to commit to this journey, one that's demanding but deeply rewarding, remember to focus on mindset as much as strategy. Consistency comes from mastering your emotions, not from chasing after the next hot signal or system. Your greatest asset as a trader is your mental strength. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Victory FX for ongoing support, insights, and practical advice that will help you develop the mindset needed to thrive in Forex. And if you want to complement your learning with professional tools, check out the full-time Pro Forex indicator linked below. It's crafted to assist traders in maintaining discipline and spotting high-probability setups. Trading success isn't about luck or quick fixes. It's about growth, patience, and mental resilience. Invest in your mindset, and the rest will follow. Let's talk about how to turn these mindset principles into daily habits. The real transformation happens when you commit to consistent self-discipline every single trading day. Start by creating a structured routine. Set specific hours for market analysis, trade preparation, execution, and review. Consistency in your schedule helps reduce emotional fatigue and builds confidence through repetition. Journaling is one of the most powerful tools you can use. Not just logging trades, but recording your emotional state, thoughts, and decision-making processes. This honest self-assessment uncovers hidden patterns, like impulsive entries or letting losses run too long, that may be sabotaging your success. Over time, these insights become the foundation for improving both your strategy and mindset. It's also crucial to set clear, measurable goals, not vague dreams like, "I want to be rich." Define what success means for you on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. For example, limiting daily risk to 1%, completing market reviews without skipping, or holding off on impulsive trades. Achieving these small victories builds momentum and strengthens your discipline muscle. Remember, trading is as much a mental game as it is a technical one. When you develop emotional awareness, you gain the ability to pause, breathe, and assess the situation before reacting. This pause is where good decisions are made. If you feel frustration, anxiety, or excitement building, take a step back. Maybe take a short break or review your plan before entering the market. Let's address a common pitfall: perfectionism. Many traders get stuck trying to find the perfect setup or waiting for ideal market conditions that may never come. This often leads to analysis paralysis and missed opportunities. Instead, learn to accept that no trade will ever be flawless. Focus on executing your plan consistently with discipline, knowing that over time, this approach yields better results than chasing perfection. In addition, managing risk is inseparable from mindset. Without respect for risk, emotions run wild. Always use stop losses and never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single trade. This simple rule protects your capital and preserves your psychological stability. When your account is safe, you trade with less fear and more confidence. Another powerful mindset shift is embracing the idea of continuous learning. The market is dynamic, and the traders who succeed are those who adapt. Be open to feedback from your own experiences, mentors, or trusted sources. Treat trading as a lifelong journey of growth, rather than a destination you reach overnight. Finally, take care of your overall well-being. Stress, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, or distractions outside trading can all impair your judgment and emotional control. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, which directly translates into better trading performance. So to sum up this phase of your journey, build a daily routine grounded in discipline, journal your trades and emotions, set realistic goals, pause before acting, avoid perfectionism, manage risk carefully, commit to continuous learning, and maintain your health. These are the pillars of a resilient trading mindset that can carry you through the inevitable ups and downs of Forex. If you're serious about evolving as a trader, this is where the real work begins, and it's worth every effort. Stay focused on mastering yourself first, and the markets will reward you over time. Don't forget, for those who want a tool to complement this disciplined approach, check the Full-Time Pro Forex indicator in the description below. It's designed to help you stay objective and confident by highlighting the best setups based on proven criteria. Keep building that mental edge every day. Your consistent growth is the true victory in Forex trading.